This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. In the international market, in US, Treasury yields rose on Thursday after dovish comments from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell boosted expectations for a jump in inflation, and before President-elect Joe Biden was to announce details of a new stimulus package. Expectation is President Joe Biden is about to announce $1.9 trillion fiscal stimulus. With expected future inflation and a large fiscal stimulus, US 10-year was up 5 basis points once again and back to 1.15 percentage points, and 30-year was up 6 basis points back to 1.88 percentage points on Thursday. In the crude oil market, crude is at $56.38 per barrel. Market seems to be range bound. Crude's short-term range seems to be $54 to $57 per barrel. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 90.29. DXY's today's range seems to be 89.51 to 90.52. Even after Joe Biden's anticipated larger stimulus news, DXY is stable, and that shows the DXY strength. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 647. USD INR with a low of 72.97 closed at 73.04. The force was able to break 73 level but retreated from there. In the domestic market, government bond prices rose yesterday as cut-off prices set by the Reserve Bank of India for its bond purchases through special open market operations, were higher than those prevailing in the secondary market. On 14th January 2021, special OMO cutoffs are as follows: 522 GS 2025 at 518 or 100.14, 577 GS 2030 at 592 or 98.88, and 657 GS 2033 at 629 or 102.38. With these higher cutoffs, give market another hope that RBI is keeping a lid on the eye. And yields. Shorter end of the yield curve has seen a drastic increase in rates after RBI announced 14-day variable rate reverse repo window today. 515 GS 2025 closed at 523 versus 526 the previous day. 577 GS 2030 closed at 592 versus 595 the previous day. GSEC auction is scheduled today, and night research will be available with the cutoffs at 10:40 a.m. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you next week with the new episode of Night Snippets.